transferring £3,000 of credit card balance to myself as a goods and service using a trusted person's PayPal account.
So if I go to Monzo, boom, as you could see, I received £3,000 into my PayPal account, and I've used up 3k from my Monzo Flux credit card, which I have to pay in full on the 1st of June, and it's the 21st of April. However, because I got a 12 months free interest, all I gotta do is enable it on my end. So go on activities, £3,000, edit plan, and as you could see, I got the slider. I'm gonna put this to 12 months free interest. If I go above 12 months, I have to pay what, 495 of interest on the 13th month, but let's keep it interest free. So now I only have to pay £250 on the 1st of June, and it all adds up to £3,000 within 12 months time. And looking at my PayPal balance, you can see that I received pretty much the £3,000, but obviously PayPal took around 3% fee. So what I'm going to do now is withdraw it directly into my bank account. Boom, zero balance. I'm gonna go back to Monzo and then onto my normal current account. I received the money. I already had some money in my Monzo account. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to deposit it into my Trading 212 account, ISA. Here's my portfolio. I'm up £24,000. And my ISA allowance remaining is 11k. I'm going to go ahead and deposit £3,000 from my Monzo account into my Trading 212 ISA. Next. Next. Deposit successful. £3,000 has been added to your account. This needs to update. It says I still have £11,000 remaining. And guess what I'm going to do with this amount of capital? I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. Actually, no, I can't. Not on the ISA. I'm going to invest it in Strategy. It's still close to 300. However, I'm quite concerned about this top over here, around 344. So we really need to break out of this range to make my investment worth it. Since Strategy follows the price of Bitcoin, Bitcoin may as well break out of this range also. And Bitcoin pretty much also follows the M2 money supply, as stated from one of this post here. So you see those green and red candlesticks? That's Bitcoin. And straight red lines, that's the M2 money supply. Bitcoin follows the M2 money supply. And the M2 money supply is the predicted outcome of Bitcoin pretty much. The M2 money supply, you could see it's skyrocketed. Bitcoin is going to follow suit, so it might be worth it to get in now, which is what I'm going to do with Strategy. Alright, here we go, big purchase here. I already purchased £100 today, so I'm going to put 2,900. Fee is £4. I'm in these. Bought it for an average price of $326. I now hold 231 shares, and my average price went up to $172. It used to be $161. So you see those dotted line? That's my average entry price. I'm still up nicely here.